So yesterday we have discussed about is matter field. What is the matter field? So the matter can be made of particles. The matter can be made of tiny particles. So the matter can exist of 3 stages. What are they? Anybody tell me answer?
Yes, sir. Solid, liquid, gases.
So very good. The matter can be exist of physical states can be divided into the 3 types. So solid, liquid, and gases. So another chemical properties of matters can be divided into 2 types. What are they? Anybody tell me answer? Chemical properties of matters can be 2 types. What are they? Tell me, Nana. What are the chemical properties of matter can be divided into the 2 types, classified into the 2 types. What are they? Pure substances and mixers. Pure substances and mixers.
Mixture.
So matter is nothing but made of tiny particles. Matter can be made of tiny particles. So we are going to our topic. So is matter film. So what is the matter film? So nothing but you go to the went to market or supermarket, you throw the some substances is there. Pure are not checking the with buying the substance. So that will be checked to pure objects can be buying to the shops. So that are the classified into the matter. It is a single substance. It is can be divided into the pure substance by the matter. So the matter can be classified into the some types. So 2 types. What are they? And physical properties and chemical properties. So the physical states of matter can be 3 stages. So classified into the 3 main types. So they are solid, liquid, and gases. So on the basis of chemical composition of matter can be classified into 2 types. So they are pure substances and mixers. Pure substances and mixers. So what is pure substances? So the pure substance can be, it is can be divided into 2 types, elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. So the mixer can be 2 types. They are homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. So they are, all of you see the flow chart of matter. So the matter can be 2 types, classified into the 2 type physical states and chemical states. That will be decided to the chemical states of flow chart. Pure substance and mixers. The pure substances can be 2 types, elements and compounds. The mixer can be 2 types, homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. Homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. So do you understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the matter? What is the definition of matter?
Matter is converted into 2 types.
So I'm asking what is the matter? So what is the matter? So the matter can be form of a tiny particles. All of you note down. Matter definition is the matter can be made of tiny particles. All of you note it. Matter can be made of tiny particles. So our common man you is matter is nothing but nothing else. So the scientist who is matter can be something else. So it can be changed the world, that is decided to the matter. So that will be matter can be classified into the scientific meaning of three stages, physical states, that are the solid, liquid, gas, the chemical states of pure substances and mixers. So that is the matter. That is the matter. All of you note down. The matter can be made of tiny particles. రాసుకున్నారమ్మా?
Yes, sir. రాసుకున్నాం, sir.
So what is the definition of matter? Tell me anybody.
Matter is made up of tiny particles.
Very good, very good. So example of matter can చూస్తే chalk piece powder కావచ్చు, anything else. So substance can be made of tiny particle. It's said to be big molecule. That is called as substance. So the matter can be classified into the two types. So what are the two types? Physical state and chemical state. So physical states can be three types. What are they?
Solid, liquid, gases.
Very good. So what is the chemical properties, chemical composition of matter?
Pure substances and mixtures.
Very good. Pure substances and mixers. So the pure substance can be two types. What are they?
Elements and compounds.
Elements and compounds. So mixers can be two types. So what are they?
Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures.
So homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. So that topics will be discussed about in the chapter. So first of all, we going to the pure substances. First of all, we going to the pure substances. So what is pure substance? Anybody tell me answer. What is pure? Pure means, tell me.
Pure means qualities.
Very good, very good. So pure means it is said to be quality. So anybody tell me answer. Remaining people tell me answer.
Swachhata.
Very good. Swachhata, very good. Next one. So that's said to be word where is used to the daily life. Pure. That said to, that word is used to the daily life. In any situation you observe that. In daily life situation, tell me answer. So మన డైలీ లైఫ్ లో ప్యూర్ అనే పదం ఎక్కడన్నా యూజ్ చేస్తుంటామా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం? విచ్ ప్లేసెస్?
తినేటప్పుడు.
వాటర్ తాగేటప్పుడు.
ఏది?
వాటర్
ప్యూర్
తాగేటప్పుడు.
తెప్పించుకునేటప్పుడు.
ఏదైనా
Very
షాప్స్ లో
good.
కొనేటప్పుడు క్వాలిటీ
Water.
అయింది తీసుకుంటాం, సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో షాప్స్ కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ కెన్ బి బయింగ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో దట్ విల్ బి సో చెకింగ్ ఇట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ డిసైడెడ్ టు ది ప్యూర్ ఆర్ నాట్ చెకింగ్ టు ద by the package.
Honey.
Pure. So that will be decided to the buying or not in the market. So the pure substance, it means quality. So the pure means quality. So that is the quality. Actually, a scientific meaning of pure means it is a single substance of the object, single substance of the substance. It is a containing only one type of substance. It is a containing only one type of substance. So that is called as pure substance. That is called as pure substance. So that is the scientific definition of pure substance. So in daily life, in maybe reasons may some situations you are used to the that word, but actually our scientific pure substances can be used only. So the substance can be it's consist of single type of substance. For example, we can take iron or copper. Iron or copper. It is only containing iron. So that will be decided to the pure substance. So it is mixing to the iron copper. That is a mixed with the not can be say that pure substance. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So what is pure? What is the pure substance?
Pure substance is a
Water.
substance which contains of a single type of substance.
Very good. Oh. So the pure substance consists of single type of substance. So that pure substance described that. So two types. So the first one is element and compound. Element and a compound. So
Compound.
it can be represented to the single type substance. Single substance. It can be represented to the single substance. It is denoted by the pure substance. Example of pure substance is iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt. They are the separately. It can be take the only single type. Single type substance can be taken that will be decided to the pure substance. So the pure substance can be two types as there, elements and compounds. Elements and compounds.
Compound.
Compounds.
Compounds. Next, ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ అంటే అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా, ఓన్లీ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ని మనం తీసుకుంటే దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐరన్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఓన్లీ
హైడ్రోజన్
లిజన్ ఐరన్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలా, వేరే ఆర్టికల్ కానీ వేరే సబ్స్టెన్స్ కానీ దాంట్లో మిక్సింగ్ కాకుండా ఉంటే దాన్ని మనము ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ అంటాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గోల్డ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, సో గోల్డ్ ఓన్లీ గోల్డ్ మాత్రమే మిక్సింగ్ ఉండాలి, దాంట్లో సిల్వర్ కానీ కాపర్ కానీ మిక్సింగ్ కాకుండా ఉంటే ప్యూర్ 24 క్యారెక్టర్ గోల్డ్ అంటే అంటాం కదా. చూడండి, విన్నారు ఈ మాట ఎప్పుడన్నా? ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ మిక్సర్. సో ద మిక్సర్ కెన్ బి, మిక్సర్ అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం గుర్తు వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? వాట్ యు రిమెంబర్ ది మిక్సర్?
ఈటింగ్ మిక్సర్.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో
Eating
స్వీట్
mixer,
షాప్ eating mixer, sweet shop mixer is a identify the mixer. So that our common views are mixer can be sweet stuff, it is a buying a snacks. So but our scientific meaning of mixers can be it is mixing with the two different type of substance. So for example we can prepare the lemonade. So we can take the salt, sugar, lemon, so mixing with them, that is said to be mixer. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
the mixers can be mixing with the two different type of substances. So that will called as
Mixture.
mixer.
Mixture.
So it is substance which consists of two or more pure substances or different substances can be mixing with them. They are said to be mixer. So for example, seawater. So seawater is the lot of minerals and lot of dust particles and lot of salt particles is there. Say yes or no? Are you agree with this
Yes,
point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minerals, soil, air, sand, and salt, sugar, water, salt, water. So they are the example of mixers.
Salt in water.
They are the examples of mixers.
Mixtures.
So, do you understand these topics? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is pure substance? Tell me. Anybody answer?
A substance which consists
Yes.
two
Contains of a
substances
single
is
type
called
of
mixture,
Single
Very good. So the substance which consists
which
of
consists
single type of substance. Single type of substance. So that is
is called pure
that is
substance.
very good.
Pure
So
substance.
mixes can be. It is a described
Two
that
types of
the
substances.
two different type of substances are single type of pure substances can be. So that is said to be mixer. So differences between the pure substance and the mixers. So first point is the pure substance consists only single type of substance. The pure substances can be consist of single type of substance.
Single type of substance.
So the mixers consist of two or more pure substances. The mixers can be
Substances.
consist of two or more
Two
pure
or more
substances.
Substances.
So second point is the pure substance cannot be
substance
separated
cannot
into the separated into the
Physical
substance
methods.
by the physical methods. So the pure substance cannot be separated. Cannot be separated. So the
Separated.
mixers can be
Separated.
the mixers can be separated by the physical methods. The mixers can be separated by the physical methods.
Into
So-
its component.
So third point is the pure substance has its own definite properties. So the pure substance can be, it has a own definite
Own
properties.
definite properties.
So the mixer shows the properties of components. Properties is components. So that is said to be mixer. So they are the differences between the pure substance and the mixers. So do you,
Mixtures.
so do you understand this topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you note this topic. Very, very important. Note chesukonamma.
Yes, sir.
Note చేసుకున్నారా?
Yes, sir. Note చేసుకున్నాం, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Next one. Types of mixers. Types of mixers. So,
Mixtures.
so the mixers can be two types. The mixers
Two
can
types.
be
Homogeneous.
so
Two
they are
types.
homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. Homogeneous mixers and heterogeneous mixers. So first of all, we going to the homogeneous mixers. Homogeneous mixers. So what is homogeneous mixers? So the homogeneous mixers can be mixer which is has a uniform
Uniform
composition. So the homogeneous mixers can be completely dissolved the substance. The homogeneous mixers can be completely dissolve the substance. So that is said to be homogeneous mixers. For example, we can take the water
Sugar.
and sugar. Water and sugar.
Water
So
and
after
salt.
water and salt, very good, very good. Water and salt. So we to compare, we observe that after we some time, so the sugar and salt will be completely dissolved the water. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
సరిపోతుంది మొత్తం.
So completely dissolve. So that type of mixers are called homogeneous
mixtures.
homogeneous mixers. So for example, sugar and water. We can take the
Water.
sugar and
Sugar in water.
so the
Chili
we can
powder
take
in water.
okay ma. So for example, we can take the one glass. So one glass of water to add it to the sugar, 50 grams of sugar. So stir with this some time. Stir with this some time. After we
Sometime.
observe that. After we observe that, what do you
Sugar will
observe
be
that?
dissolved. Sugar will be
Very good.
dissolved.
Very good, very good. So the sugar will be dissolved completely. dissolved completely. So
Completely.
that is called as homogeneous mixtures.
Homogeneous mixture.
So all of you note down. All of
Yes,
you
sir.
note chesko babu. Homogeneous
Yes, sir.
mixture definition. Homogeneous mixture definition raskoma.
Yes, sir.
The substance can be. The substance can be. The substance can be
Yes, sir.
completely dissolve the other substance.
Yes, sir.
Substance that is said to be homogeneous mixtures. That is said to be
Sir, go, sir.
Homogeneous mixture.
the
The
substance
Yes, sir.
can be completely dissolved the other substance.
Other particles.
Other particles, other substance completely dissolved. So the type of substances, the type of solutions is called as
Homogeneous mixture.
homogeneous mixtures. For example and rasi sugar and water,
Sugar.
so salt and water.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in the substance we cannot, the mixers are not visible to naked eye. Are you observe? So are you visible the sugar in the water?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, very good. No. Why? What is the reason?
Sugar will be dissolved in water, sir.
Sugar
Very
will
good.
be
So
dissolved
the-
Sugar will be treated water.
Very good. So sugar completely dissolve the water. So
Water.
that can be reason they are not visible by the naked eye. They are not visible by the naked
Naked
eye. So the particles can be the properties of homogeneous mixes. All of you see the figure. All of you observe this figure. So the properties of homogeneous mixtures can be represented to the mixtures which is as a uniform composition. So the uniform composition means it is a completely dissolved the other substance. It is a completely dissolved the other substance. So the particles of the mixers are not visible by the naked eye. The particles of the mixers are not visible by the
naked eye.
naked eye. We cannot see the naked eye. So the particle can be separated by the filtration. So the particles cannot. So we in daily life situation. So the sugar and water mixing with them. After will separation or yes or no?
No, sir.
No, very good. So by the reason is the substance can be completely dissolved the other substance. Completely dissolved the other
The
substance.
substance.
So that will be the particles cannot be separated by the filtration. The particles cannot be separated by the filtration in homogeneous mixers. So the mixers are stable, the particles do not settle down. So the mixers is a stable. The particles do not settle down. Endukante they have no particles in the homogeneous mixers. So, but the reason is, so they have them no particles settle down. The path of the beam of light, so is not visible the mixer, So for example,
Mixers.
mixed sugar and water. So the mixing salt and water, mixing copper sulfate and water. So
Water.
we observe that three situations, they completely dissolved the other substance. So that is said to be homogeneous mixers.
Mixers.
So next one is heterogeneous mixers. Next one is heterogeneous
Homogeneous mixture.
mixer. So tell me anybody, what is the heterogeneous mixers? Do you guess it? Tell me.
The opposite of homogeneous mixture.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So the quite opposite of homogeneous mixers.
Homogeneous mixes.
So the substance can be do not completely other substance. Incomplete of substance. Incomplete of substance. So we can see the naked eye. We can see the naked eye. So the type of substance, can be decided to the heterogeneous mix. So for example, we can take the water and soil. Water and soil. So
Soil.
soil mixing with them. What do you observe that? We see the naked eye. We see the. So we
Water
see
is-
the,
Next time, sir. We can
the
see
soil
that-
will be.
Water is divided by the soil.
Okay. We see the soil. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Soil. So the soil can be completely
Don't
dissolved with the
separate
water.
particles.
No,
So
No,
sir.
sir.
soil, so completely dissolve hotada?
No, sir.
No. So
Soil
that type of
Particles will be separated.
so that type
Oil,
of
water
substances can be called as heterogeneous mixers. Heterogeneous mixers. All of you note down heterogeneous mixer definition రాసుకోమా.
Okay, sir.
సెన్స్ రెండు కూడా మనకు అక్కడ ఒకే విధంగా తీసుకోవాలి మనకి. సో ద సబ్స్టెన్స్ కెన్ బి all of you note down
Yes, sir.
heterogeneous mixture definition రాసుకోండి. The substance or solution. మీకు గుర్తు కోసము substance or solution
Solution.
can be do not completely
Dissolved.
other substance
Mixed with other
substance.
substance.
substance they are said that is called
Homogeneous.
Heterogeneous mixture.
Homogeneous mixes.
heterogeneous mixers నైనా అదే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతా అంటారు. బాగా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలా. హోమోజీనియస్ మిక్సెస్ కి heterogeneous mix.
Okay, sir.
సో
Example, water and soil.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఇంకా ఏదైనా చెప్పండి.
Soil and sugar.
Water and oil, sir.
Salt and soil.
వెరీ గుడ్,
Sugar and
వెరీ
salt.
గుడ్. ఆడెవరో అబ్బాయి చెప్పాడు వాటర్ అండ్ ఆయిల్.
Oil.
So we can separate the layer formation of water and oil. Next one.
Sugar and salt.
Sugar and salt. Next one.
Iron and gold.
Iron and gold. So the
Rice
properties of heat. Okay, very good, very good. Rice in water, very good. So the heterogeneous mixers can be properties can be says that the mixer which is has a non-uniform. The mixers can be which is has a non-uniform composition. Non-uniform composition. So that means they do not completely other substance. They do not completely other substance.
With other substance.
So the second point is the particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles they visible by the naked eye. So for example, soil and water mixing with them. So we observe that the soil and water can be separated. The water can be separated. So we can see the soil in the water. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for example, we can take the oil and salt. So
Salt.
mixing with them, we observe that the oil and salt will be completely, do not completely dissolve. Do not completely dissolve. సో మీ డైలీ మీ ఇళ్ళలో కూడా ఇప్పుడు లెసన్ అయిపోయిన యాక్టివిటీ లాగా చేయండి. ఎలా?
Okay, sir.
షుగర్ అండ్ వాటర్ తీసుకోండి. వాటర్. సో షుగర్ అండ్ వాటర్ తీసుకునేసి కంప్లీట్ గా డిసాల్వ్ అవుతాదేమో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సరేనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
వినపడుతుందా?
Okay, sir.
సో అలా
వినపడుతుంది, sir.
యాక్టివిటీ వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. అలా యాక్టివిటీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే పక్కన మీ అన్నోని మీ తమ్ములు కానీ ఎవరన్నా ఉంటే దాన్ని వీడియో తీయమని చెప్పండి. మీరు చేసే యాక్టివిటీని ఆ వీడియో తీయమనండి. ఆ వీడియోని ఏం చేస్తారంటే మన గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టండి. అర్థమవుతుందా? మన
Yes,
9th
sir.
క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా,
Yes, sir.
సో ఆ
Yes,
9th
sir.
క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏదన్నా చేసే యాక్టివిటీ ఆ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టినట్టయితే రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా చేస్తారనమాట. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
సో మీకు అర్థమైంది కదా, హోమోజీనియస్ మిక్సర్ అంటే ఏమి, హీట్రోజీనియస్ మిక్సర్ అంటే ఏమి.
Okay, అర్థమైంది.
సో కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తారంటే డిఫరెంట్ గా థింకింగ్ చేయండి. సో చేసేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు యాక్టివిటీ చేస్తా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ద సాల్ట్ అండ్ షుగర్, సాల్ట్ వాటర్ అండ్ సాల్ట్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో మిక్సింగ్ విత్ ది స్టిర్ విత్ ది సమ్ టైమ్ ఒక నిమిషం 2 నిమిషాలు చేసేది మనం అట్లే వీడియో తీయండి. ఆ వీడియో తీసిన వీడియోని ఏం చేస్తారంటే మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ 9th క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ లో సెండ్ చేయండి.
Okay, sir.
సెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే. సో మీరు ఎంతమంది దీనికి తొందరగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారో చూడాలన్నమాట. ఎవరైతే మీరు తొందరగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి మంచి మార్క్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. వాళ్ళకి మనకు ల్యాబ్ యాక్టివిటీ మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ ల్యాబ్ యాక్టివిటీ మార్క్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో చేస్తారా?
చేస్తాం, sir.
Do this. Ready to activities?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So next we are going to the heterogeneous mixes of properties. So the heterogeneous mixes particles can be visible the naked eye. So the particles can be separated by the filtration. So the particles can be separated by the filtration. So the mixer is a unstable. The particles is settled down. So because the reason is they have do not completely dissolved the substance. So we can decide to settle down the substance. So the path of beam of light visible the mixers. The path of beam of light invisible the mixers. So the mixture of salt and sand mix with the sulfur. So the example is mixing with the salt and sand. Salt and sand. So, mixing with the sulfur and iron fillings. Sulfur and iron fillings. Mixture oil and water. Mixture oil and water. So they are the examples of heterogeneous mixers. They are the examples of heterogeneous mixer. So do you understand these topics? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is the homogeneous mixers? Tell me.
The substance will be completely
The
dissolved.
substance which has a unique composition.
Very good. Okay. I'm asking what is the definition of homogeneous mixers?
The substance will be completely dissolved. The substance.
Substance will be completely dissolved in the water.
That our solution is conducted by the
Homogeneous mixtures.
Very good. So what are the examples of homogeneous mixers?
Sugar and water, salt and water.
Sugar and water, salt and water.
Okay. In daily life situations. So all of you notice points,
Proper
homogeneous
concentrated
mixers and heterogeneous mixers. Note చేసుకోండి మా homogeneous mixers కి heterogeneous mixers పాయింట్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. All of you note this topic points. సెల్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అన్న తీసుకోండి, లేకపోతే నోట్ చేసుకోండి. నోట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఎప్పుడు బాగా గుర్తుంటది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ది క్లాస్, so we have some time, the viewers, let it go. So how many persons conducted to the activity, will send the video. So say yes
Okay,
or no.
ఓకే సార్,
So activity చేస్తారా?
చేస్తాం సార్, చేస్తాం సార్,
చేస్తారు. వీడియో సెండ్ చేస్తారు గ్రూప్ లో.
చేస్తాం సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. మీరు ఆ వీడియోలో ఉండాలి. మీ అన్నని కానీ మీ తమ్ముని కానీ ఆ వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేయమనండి, మీరు ఉండాలా. సో అలా చెప్పిన విధంగా ఉండకుండా, దిస్ ఈజ్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ద సాల్ట్ అండ్ వాటర్ అని చెప్పాలా, మిక్సింగ్ విత్ దెమ్ అని చెప్పనేసి ఒక స్పూన్ తీసుకొని అలా స్టిర్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అలా స్టిర్ చేస్తూ మీ ఆ వీడియో మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా తీసిన తర్వాత, ఆఫ్టర్ వి రిజల్ట్ కన్క్లూజన్ దట్ ద mixers can, the substance can be completely dissolved with the other substance. So such type of substance, లేదా this type of substance is called homogeneous mixers. So a completely dissolve కాకుండా ఉంటే this type of substance is called as heterogeneous mixers. అన డిఫరెంట్ గా ఒక 2 యాక్టివిటీస్ చేసి ఇమీడియట్ గా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, ఒక ఈ నైట్ 8 గంటల లోపల మీరు సెండ్ చేసేయాలి. చేస్తారా?
చేస్తాం సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఎంతమంది
Sir.
రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారో తొందరగా చూడాలి మరి. సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చెప్పండి, ఎవరైతే క్లాస్ రాకుండా ఉంటారో ఆ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చెప్పండి, రే సార్ ఈ టాపిక్ చెప్పారా, ఇది హోమోజీనియస్ మిక్సర్స్ అంటే ఎలా, హీటరోజీనియస్ మిక్సర్స్ అంటే ఏమనేది నీకు చెప్తాను వినరా అని చెప్పనేసి వాళ్ళు కూడా పాస్ ఆన్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళు కూడా యాక్టివిటీస్ చేసి మన గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టమని చెప్పండి. 9th క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా, ఉందా 9th క్లాస్
Yes, sir.
గ్రూప్?
Yes, sir.
ఆ
Yes, sir.
9th క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ లో మీరు ఆ ఫోటోస్ ఆ వీడియోస్ వెంటనే సెండ్ చేయండి. సో అది
Okay,
మన
sir.
టాపిక్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీట్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్. సో briefly, so the first one we discussed about classification of matter. The matter can be classified into the physical states and chemical states. The physical states of matter can be divided into the 3 types: solid, liquid, gas. So the chemical states divide into the 2 types: pure substances and mixers. So the pure substances can be 2 types: elements and compounds. Elements and
Compounds.
compound. So the pure substance can be consist of, it is a